I chose ARU Writtle, specifically the Integrated Masters in Veterinary Physiotherapy course, because it gives you so many hours of practical experience and also allows you to become RAMP accredited afterwards.
ARU has access to amazing facilities that we can also access outside of our lectures and practicals, which really cement in our knowledge that we're currently learning.
I really love that all of our lecturers are industry professionals as well who also practice, so they bring a lot of their own experiences and case studies. What I love about the course is the practical hands-on experience that we get. It builds a lot on our theoretical knowledge as well.
We've had some great opportunities over the year, including industry networking, especially at dissertation events. We've also been involved in industry research with David Marlin visiting, and also working with equine publications such as Horse and Hound.
The lecturers here are absolutely fantastic. There's a great support system. They all apply their own individual experiences and knowledge to help our learning.
If you were thinking of studying veterinary physiotherapy, I would just say go for it.